Like there are a lot of concerns regarding EVs, like, and as you people being the principal scientists behind the technology, people feel that while I'm taking my EV car, what if the car stops in the middle of the road? Like there's an issue with range anxiety. So how are we going to like handle that? Like, do you think that it's solvable?
Definitely, it is solvable because charging infrastructure is now coming up in a very big way. FAME 2 scheme has supported charging infrastructure, and this charging infrastructure is also improving day by day. And there are a lot of ways we're trying to find out. The scientists are trying to find out as to how to make it a smart charging system. There are two, three concepts that they're working on. One is the very basic AC charging stations that we have. Second is the DC fast charging stations. Then third is the inductive coupled charging, where the road, a part of the road is, has a track. While the car is running, it can get charged. It's a dynamic inductive coupled charging system.
Electric highway, that we
Huh.
call
And the
it.
fourth one is called the battery swapping system. So, depending on the advantages and the disadvantages, the people are trying to put up these infrastructure at various places, depending on what is available there and what is the best for that particular location. Now, besides that, when I talk about smart charging means that you need to charge your vehicles when your grid is not loaded. Whenever the grid is underloaded, you start charging your vehicle, and when the grid needs that back, the vehicle can give it back. So that kind of concept is being worked upon, and also these charging, as Dr. Robindro said, we're working on renewable resources. That means you have renewable resources like sun, wind, wherever it is available, whenever it is available. The primary charging will be done from these resources. Only when these resources are not available, you charge from the grid. The third component that we have added in the system is a very interesting component. Like I said, it could be biogas based, it could be CNG based, it could be any other biofuel based, whatever it is, depending on the availability of that thing in that particular location. So the third component we have kept as a variable component, which can be changed depending on whatever is available, easily available. Then in battery swapping station, there's an advantage because you can have these battery swapping station at different places, and these batteries can be charged whenever the renewable resources are available, and these batteries are always available for the battery. I mean, to be swapped whenever the vehicle comes into your station. While in a AC and DC charging, of course, you need time. The vehicle has to wait and get itself charged. DC is very good. It has a fast charging, but only thing is there are limitations to the kind of current that will flow to the battery. So all those limitations have to be worked out. So this charging infrastructure, different people are working on different concepts, but yes, it has improved and it is going to improve in future in a big way. And only once we have a good charging infrastructure, I'm sure then the user will have the confidence to go for the EVs. But of course, it should not be taken up as a negative thing. Like people are spreading a lot of things that we are still taking. What is the point? You are still emitting carbon at one point. Of course not. There are a lot of other resources which are available and which will definitely come in the near future.